Now get the fuck out.
Okay.
Of course you didn't feel anything because you sprayed me.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ish the Trapper on the beat and my boy Manny ASAP Finest. Yeah, check it out, guys. Okay, basically we're at Walmart right now. We're finna go in right now. Our homies are just pulling up, so we're about to go take over the freaking world. All I gotta say is get ready for this prank because it's about to go down. Me and my boy going crazy all 2019. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already to make sure you don't miss any more vlogs and any more pranks, dares, or any type of footage. Everything we drop in right now is a banger, so make sure y'all go check that out. Yes, I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Subscribe now. Oh, look who pulled up on us. Look who pulled up on us. Look who pulled up on us. Yo, check it out. Chill, you just got pulled over. Bro, I was just at Walmart. Look at this guy just pulled up on me, bro. What the frick, bro? Hey, dude, you know what I'm saying, bro? We got Thought Patrol right here. We got the other bro right here. You know what I'm saying? We about to go crazy. Oh, yeah. Okay, no worries. Oh, it was nothing. It was this. Oh, then I don't know. Is it rude?
Security?
For what?
For spraying me with water. Yes, you did. You were the only one that went past me.
I didn't do anything.
Of course you didn't feel anything because you sprayed me.
No. I'm sorry. She's calling security. Okay, so at this point, I ran out of the Walmart because I knew she was calling security and I didn't want to get caught. But when I was out there, the lady literally took a picture of me. So I confronted her. I'm gonna confront this lady. Why are you taking videos of me? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? Why are you taking videos of me?
You sprayed me.
When did I spray you? I never sprayed you in my life. Now you're just being ridiculous. Now you're taking pictures of me. She's taking pictures of me now. She took a picture of me outside without my. That's not how it works.
I can
now
erase it now. I just
Then
want
erase
to
it.
make sure that they say.
Alright guys, so basically let me just tell you what went down, okay? So this lady, okay? So you guys saw the footage of that lady. Yes, that lady. She came up to me, came outside, took a picture of me, and I was like, wait, no one has evidence that I squirted anyone. I literally came from outside, she took a picture of me. I ran in, she got all scared, she's like, ah! She got all scared. I ran in and I freaking went up to her. I was like, how dare you? I was trying to record it, but my phone ran out of storage and my friend had my camera, so like I couldn't record it. But let me tell you what happened. I was like, how dare you think that I squirted you with a water gun? How dare you? The audacity of you. And then she said she took a picture. I was like, delete that picture right now or I'm calling the federal investigation on you for taking pictures of underage kids, you pedophile. So like I was going crazy on this girl. She was all scared. She's like, oh, okay, I'll delete it. So her hands were shaking. She's like, look. And then I was like, nah, bro, this is not gonna happen right now. So I got her so scared. She's like, she got so freaking terrified. She's like, I'm sorry, everything like that. And the security was like, lady, just leave this area, And when she walked away, it was so freaking funny. I wish I could have got it on camera, but I didn't, sadly. But this is like, trust me, bro, this is what happened right now. And it was the craziest thing ever. So right now we're just like laying low for maybe 5-10 minutes and then going back in and then going in for the freaking squirt gun again. So yeah. Hopefully, we'll see what happens next. But that was pretty crazy, honestly. Did not expect that. But yeah, let's get back into the video. Oh, look at this. Thank you, I appreciate it. Sorry. I'm sorry. My nose itchy.
Itch. If something else gonna itch. You see somewhere again.
Group just said, you do stupid stuff here and watch what happens. Ah. Get this one. Jeremy, there we go. You know?
Five-time world champion Pitmaster representing Team Detroit, and I love to get my ribs.
Oh, sorry, man. I tried to click on those a little bit. Sorry about that. Sorry. I was here. That's all I do. Sorry about that. Sorry. I'll get you? Sorry. Maddie, go help him. Go help him, go help him, go help him, go help him. Did you see that? Yeah. Holy frick. This guy's savage, bro. Go. Anyone. I'm ready. The angle's there. You like them? Oh, yeah. What, you want them? Buy for you. So, do you remember this girl? After sneezing, she calls her Big Mama and they run up on Manny. This is what happened next. Enjoy.
Do it. Why?
Why? Because
That's
it was
disrespectful.
bad.
You're a little kid. You're disrespectful. Give me that
Oh
shit.
shit.
What do you mean, give me that shit? I'm not touching you. I'm touching the flowers. Thank you. Now get the fuck out. Okay, you know what? Then we call the fucking manager so you can get the fuck out.
Hey, go ahead.
Respectful little kid. You need to leave.
Go ahead.
Hey, excuse me, ma'am. Can you please escort him out, please?
He was getting the bottle of water spray and he was spraying in the back of my sweater.
That's right, walk out. You gotta tell your friend to stop being a little bitch.
Oh my god. Holy frick, let me get this. Let me get this reaction. Holy frick. They got Manny. They're getting Manny right now. They got 2 security guards on Manny right now. Manny, run! They're after you, run! My door's open. Manny, run, go. I got the whole freaking thing, bro. The whole thing. That's why I didn't go. And I got the whole thing, bro. He's like, you need to tell your friend to stop being a little bitch. I was like, oh, freak. Yeah. Holy cow, guys. The guys are looking for him. Hold on. We gotta get out of here. We gotta go.
When I tell you that I love you, I am serious. When I tell you that I love you, I am serious. When I tell you that I love you, are you curious? When I tell you that I love you, I am serious. When I talk to other girls, do you get curious? When you see me in my bag, I'm making billions. She saw the ghost parked outside, she said it's luxurious.